Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Dodge Avenger into neutral. This is crucial for towing or moving the vehicle when the engine is off. We'll cover the simple steps to access the shift lock release. You'll learn how to safely disengage the parking pole. This process is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's get started with the first step. First, you need to locate the shift lock release. This small button or slot is typically found right next to your gear shifter. It might be hidden under a small plastic cap that you can gently pry off. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental shifting. Identifying its exact position is your initial step. Once found, the next part is easy.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, to engage the release mechanism, you'll need a small tool. A flathead screwdriver or even your car key will work perfectly. Carefully insert the tip of your chosen tool into the slot you just located. Apply firm, steady pressure downwards. This action manually overrides the shift lock, allowing the shifter to move freely. It's a simple but effective override. With the shift lock release engaged, you can now move the gear shifter. While still pressing down on the tool, gently move the shifter from park into the neutral position. You should feel it slide easily. Double-check your dashboard indicator to confirm that the vehicle is indeed in neutral. This ensures it can be safely moved or towed without issue. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.